Knock knock, it's me. Voila!
You rolling loyalty and harmony. We are the Essence family. You rolling loyalty and harmony. We are the Essence family.
Hello, Essence fam. On Friday, I told you guys that it was my daughter's birthday, and I was going to make her favorite, your malicious birthday cake of all time that she loves, which is banana cake. So we're gonna be baking the cake together. So guys, if you're interested in knowing how to bake banana cake, my all-time banana cake, come on, keep watching. First thing first, guys, we're gonna prep our pan. So to do that, you need a little bit of butter. Not this much. So just go ahead like that. Always make sure when I have a video, always check the description for a full list of ingredients that I use, and also measurement, guys. Check the
please subscribe.
Yeah, please subscribe. Thanks. I don't used to waste my flour. Some people used to just dust the flour away. But since my pan is clean and everything, why would I waste my flour? So boom, this is how to prep your pan. Since the pan is prepped, let's keep it aside. My hand is always clean, whether I'm cooking or not. So hand is clean. I'm going to be pouring. What? Okay, I'll just use what I have. It's almost finished. That's my banana flavor, guys. Just for flavor, but if you don't have it, you can do without it. Just the way I'm about to do without it. So, this is my vanilla extract. So you saw me just, I used it to take flour. That's why the color is looking like this. I'm just going to use 2 tablespoons. Okay, you want to get off my back? 1, 2. Don't forget, check the description for correct measurements. I'm using almond milk, so I'll just use a cup. I use this to measure my flour. So one like that. I'm just gonna pour in my 4 eggs, just like that. I'm just gonna turn on my blender. Let the blender do the magic. This is 450 grams of butter, 1 cup of sugar. So if you don't have a hand mixer, just go ahead and use your spatula or your ugbeba, which is turning stick, to make.
I will sacrifice my heart for you, go 1,000 miles for you, cause you give me joy and happiness. When you smile, so much tenderness. Oh my baby, baby, yeah. So much to be thankful for, no regrets. You give me joy and happiness. When you smile, so much tenderness. Oh my baby, baby, yeah. So much to be thankful for, no regrets.
Okay guys, this is it. This is how it's looking like this. This is just butter and sugar. Now we're gonna start putting our combination, which is everything we have in the blender. Guys, this is the simplest cake to make. Super easy. Like, as I'm making it now, my oven, I'm already preheating it with you know, my kids will be leaking. That's their job. So I'm already preheating my oven 350 degree. Look at this, open up with the my kids will be leaking. That's the benefit of baking with mom. So guys, look at it. This is how it's looking. Now we're going to start introducing our, very simple, we're going to introduce our, so I'm just going to add my baking powder, stir it together, then put a pinch of salt. This is the smallest thing that we have here.
You'll be grounded.
Just like that. That's salt. If you like nutmeg, this is when you introduce your nutmeg now. So now that it's all mixed, you increase your mixing speed. Right, so guys, you saw the way I mixed it. When you're mixing it, you increase your mixing speed like that. Then you start introducing it gradually. You don't need to pour everything. So guys, this is it. This is the consistency we're looking for, guys. Look at that. So these are my gender reveal cupcake. I don't have a friend here that is pregnant that I can give it to, so I will use them. But then I bet their gender reveal John. So I'm going to use them as my cupcake on today. If you have not watched my gender review video, please, I will put it in the description of this video so you can easily click on the video. Look at that. My kids love my banana cake. Do you know sometimes I don't even blend them? I just put the banana like that and just use my hand mixer. Everything goes still perfect. Then work like this. Kind of try and do a little bit of design, hopefully. If I have chocolate and I add it on top. This style that you guys are seeing now would have just been lit. This is how I did my chocolate cake. And everybody was like, how did it come out at this style? But I'm not sure it will come out well with this one. Okay, let's hope. Your girl can only hope. Right? Right. Our oven, I already preheated our oven with 350. Now I'm going to put it in the oven and bake it with 350 for 15 minutes. This in with a scoop. The measuring cup dough that look like a scoop. Oh my word, guys, look at that. The cake is ready. Look at that yummy. It smells heavenly in here. It smells super delicious. Oh my word, guys. Look at the cupcake. Look at that. I'm literally removing this. Look at the cupcake. Take it out like this. Like this. And pull it out. Look at this is the back side and this is the front. Look at that. Look at that. Look, so guys, how do you know your cake is ready? Just get a toothpick like this, place it in the middle, let it go all the way. You bring it out. When you bring it out, it's plain, no stain. You know your cake is ready. When you bring it out and it's sticky, you know your cake is not well baked yet. So you are allowed to bake. So how to flip? You get it out, put it like so. Place whatever plate you want to use. Then just, oh my word, it's still hot. Just literally flip it like that. Knock knock, it's me. Voila! That's why it's good to prep your pan. So thank you so much for always watching Lady Birthday Celebration. Maybe I might post this one differently or add it to the birthday vlog. Okay, SS Mom, thank you so much for always watching our video. I hope you have subscribed right now. Did you enjoy the video? If you enjoyed the video, smash that thumbs up, smash the subscribe button. Thank you so much for always watching. We love you just the way you love us. Peace! Yeah.